Unless you've been living under a rock for the past couple of months, the word cryptocurrency should not be completely unfamiliar to you. No matter how tech-averse your circle is, words like crypto and bull markets must have found their way at least once into your daily news. It's no big surprise, really. The staggering success of Bitcoin this year, plus the antics of meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, has drawn the attention of many to cryptocurrency. But does that make it a good sector to invest in? What are the risks involved in dabbling with crypto? And most importantly, what are the best coins to buy and hold? These are the issues we're going to address in today's video. Keep watching. Investing in general is a risky business. Whether it be crypto, forex, the stock market, the principles behind investing are generally the same. Buy the assets at a low price and sell when it's high. For a very long time, the only markets people could invest in were the stocks and forex markets. Investing back then was complex and mysterious and was often an exclusive domain of the rich. However, in 2009, an anonymous man or person or group of people known as Satoshi ushered a new era into the investing space by creating Bitcoin, the very first digital cryptocurrency. After Bitcoin came into existence, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies known as alternative coins or altcoins for short were created as well. Ever since then, although the cryptocurrency space has had its ups and downs, the growth of crypto has been undoubtedly amazing. To put it into perspective, Bitcoin has, over the last 10 years, had an over 10,000% growth increase. That means if you'd put $100 into Bitcoin back when it launched, you'd probably be watching this video from a yacht or a mansion by now. Although crypto has not been fully accepted by the traditional establishment and is still being actively resisted by many governments, it's fairly reasonable to claim that crypto is permanently here to stay. For many progressive governments, their stance has long moved away from banning cryptocurrency to discussions on how to regulate it. In general, the main difference between cryptocurrencies and traditional finance establishments is transparency and decentralization. Most cryptocurrencies run on public blockchains. This means that all transactions made in the crypto space can be observed by the public and are easily traceable. Cryptocurrency is also decentralized. With crypto, you can send and receive money anywhere in the world without using any third-party intermediary. Now for a word of caution. While crypto is a sector that is showing fantastic growth, the truth is it's still very young. The entire crypto market is barely 13 years old. When you compare that to the stock market, the whole sector is basically a toddler. Thus, due to the very early and young nature of the market, cryptocurrency is very volatile. Very volatile. It's very common to see a 20% drop in prices sometimes, even in bull markets. Cryptocurrency investors are well known for having diamond hands for this reason. Despite the volatility, the crypto sector as a whole has been quite profitable for strong-hearted members who never sold. If you look at the price charts of Bitcoin, it doesn't matter when you invest. Your investments will still be in profits in the long term. Despite the dips in price, Bitcoin has always recovered and then gone on to hit new all-time highs. The continued rise in the value of crypto tokens has a lot to do with the worldwide adoption of crypto. As more and more people continue to get into cryptocurrency, the price can only go up. A survey from the USA has shown that roughly 13% of Americans have traded crypto in 2021. By comparison, 24% of Americans invested in stocks over the same period. This trend can also be observed in different countries around the globe. For example, in the Netherlands, only 4% of the population own Bitcoin, while over 15% are invested in stocks. Germany is even more extreme, with only 2.6% into cryptocurrency as compared to over 12% of stock owners. This shows the interest in crypto and the potential growth that is still to come. Now, while cryptocurrency is quite useful, the truth is not all coins will be successful. Some coins are just pure scams, designed to run away with your money. All crypto enthusiasts know this. This is why the first thing most cryptocurrency analysts look at when evaluating a coin is its utility. What does that mean? Well, it's what problem is this coin looking to solve? Coins that have utilities are called utility tokens. Examples of utility tokens are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and of course, FANZ. The distinguishing feature of utility coins is that you can use the tokens to buy a certain product or perform a certain service. For FANZ, the FANZ token allows you to use its copy trading platform. FANZ is a brand new, fresh-off-the-shelf token. As the launch of the FANZ platform, the world's first DeFi copy trading platform, draws nearer, the coin has solid fundamentals and massive growth potential. As inflation continues to rise everywhere in the world, a lot of folks are beginning to shift their funds away from central banks and into DeFi spaces in search of safe and secure ways to earn passive income. One of the most profitable ways to grow your funds is through trading. However, learning how to trade on your own usually takes a long time, dedication, and money. Because of this complication, many people opt for copy trading, which is a much easier style. And the best DeFi-based copy trading platform to earn passive income will be the FANZ platform. With FANZ, you can grow your profits in a way that's not only profitable, but in a way that's extremely safe and secure as well. The total fiat valuation of all FANZ tokens at the time of recording is just about $2.5 million. If you compare this to the market caps of other trading platforms like eToro, for example, with a 10.4 billion market cap, it's pretty easy to see that FANZ has so much room to grow. Based on the fact that the developers team of FANZ is consistently crushing their targets, living up to expectations, we believe FANZ will eventually crush eToro. Look, the truth is, cryptocurrency is the future, and as more and more people begin to see the light, the mass adoption of crypto will herald a transfer of wealth never before seen in human history. The question is, are you going to come aboard or watch this beautiful opportunity pass you by? That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, let us know by smashing that like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well for more videos like this. Be sure to check us out on Twitter at FANZ and Instagram as well, and become one of our highly cherished members. The link for the Twitter channel is in the description below. Our Instagram handle is at FANZ and is also linked in the description. Till next time, stay safe and hodl funds.
It sound right, boy.